arpeggios. Let's play both hands. One. Yes, because I thought that you couldn't play. I didn't know that you can play. Okay, A major. Arpeggios. Our goal is 176. Right now we are just 125. Let's try. Maybe we can do faster today. A major. Being cheeky, huh? 2 octaves. Sit in the middle. Try not to move your butt. Okay? I know you like me. You don't need to come and...
No, you say put here.
No, okay, now I change my words. Put here, sit in the middle. Okay, go. Okay, C sharp minor. You really need to use your butt to wipe my bench. Please don't move your butt. Okay, okay. Say it properly. Please stand. Okay, again. We are serious. G sharp minor. E flat minor. This is when she practices. A flat major. What is this? D flat major. Right? D flat. F minor. B flat minor. Left hand 3, 2. Left hand 3. Finger 3, 2. Right hand 2, 3. Play one more time. Okay. Metronome. Next week 1:30. Gonna be faster. Okay.
Okay. Dragging my word.
Do you know what we call it? Is vibrato. You know some people sing, but not that bad. I'm not good. Okay, F minor. Let's try staccato. I say F minor, then you play A flat. Ah, it's okay. Left hand A flat major.
I thought you said A flat.
Did I? Oh, A flat then. Come. F minor, right hand. One more time, when you play, the sound is a bit too light. Are you able to like hammer? Bum, 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 bum. It's not like that, sweetie. Look, it's not. So, hammer, 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 hammer. Try one more time, right hand. Amazing! Left hand. Not heavily hammering lightly. Go.
But I won't get to the piano.
Don't smash. Hey, look at finger 4 on G. One more time. Okay. 4, finger 4. Try it. Finger 5. Okay. Claw. Foot, finger 4. E flat. Oh, good. B flat minor. Harmony. Right hand 2. Right hand 2. Right hand 2. Hey, both hands. E flat minor. This is finger 4, right? Stop. This is supposed to be 3, 2, not 1, 2. Try again. 3, 3, 2. B. 3. Yeah. 3. E flat. Ready, go. You can do a little bit more. Okay? G sharp minor. We need to build the muscle. At home, how many times do you play this?
I don't know.
G sharp minor. Maybe we need to play 20 times. Okay, you try. If you are doing very good, maybe we'll just play 2. This is what we call it good. Okay, C sharp minor. F sharp minor. D flat major, curve your finger 2. Finger 4. 4. F sharp minor. D major. E major. Finger 5. A major. Okay, not bad. So next week 2:30. Do you think we can do it, or too fast?
I don't know.
Do you think this is fast already?
A bit fast.
A bit. So right now it's 2 to 5. I just increased 2 degrees for her. Okay, 2. So not too fast. If I increase 5, you might cry again.
Bye bye.
Bye bye, Scales.